Okay, here we have the engine cover off. As you can see, it gets beat to hell. One part I want to show you was right here. Just for reference, here's where your oil filter is going to be. See this here? We're going to fix that though with plastic welding. If you haven't seen that before, stick around. Okay, now we're going to get underneath and replace the PCV valve. There we go. Before we get started, I want to show you the valve itself. This is the Toyota OEM, made by Iran, I believe it is. I wouldn't get anything else. Go to Toyota, get it online, there's the number right there. Okay, it's going to be hard to locate, so I'm going to give you a point of reference. Right here we see our driver's front wheel. And here's your oil pan. Come to the oil pan. Right. You're gonna see the orange cable. Let me grab something real quick. Okay. Hold on, let me get something longer to point it out. Okay, let's try this again. Once again, there's the oil pan, driver's front. Here's the power cord, high voltage, and then behind it you see here is the water hose. Now I'm going to move this water hose, and you see that spring clamp? There it is right there. There's where you put your socket on. It's a 22 millimeter, and hopefully everything works out. Okay, I got the old one off, and that was a right pain in the ass. Just because you had no room to work with. I mean, you're turning the wrench just like that much at a time. And here's the setup. I used 22 millimeter socket. It's a 3/4, so I used an adapter. Or sorry, yeah, it's a 1/2 inch. So I used a 3/8 to 1/2 inch adapter. And you're going to need this. You're going to need a flexible head ratchet. Straight one's just not going to do it, because the way you're angled and you're working against hoses. Okay, so here's the old one. You know they're bad when they no longer make any sound when you shake them. This one does. But, you know, it has under 15,000 miles. And I've seen people clean them, but all that work, why the hell would you? I mean, this was, I think, $12 for an OEM part. So, as you can hear, it's more audible. Alright, I'm going to put this new one on. Should take only about 10 hours. Be back.